Ever missed a movie you were eagerly waiting to watch in the theatre? You feel if only you've gotten the time. You feel that because of the experience a theatre provides. Previously, people didn't have any other option other than watching those films on TV if missed in theatres. Then came to their rescue the home theatres. Home theatres gave people the wholesome theatre experience at the comfort of their home. The popularity of home theatre has increased so much that people have started putting up customized ones for their homes. If you too are thinking of having one, let's see the current trends that would provide you a better experience. Trends shaping home theatre future. Active speaker systems. Previously, passive speakers have been used in custom home theatres. This was because of its flexibility of mixing and matching loudspeakers and amplifiers. However, active speakers have inbuilt amplifiers. This removes the hassles of fitting amplifiers from the outside. It may take a while for home theatres with true 3D sound to become widespread. It becomes inevitable that setups featuring such speakers will become more common. Simpler voice control. Many TVs already feature voice control with protocols like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. It's even starting to spread to some audiovisual receivers. Right now, you can only use an assistant-enabled device to enable talk to the receiver and control it. In the upcoming future, they start integrating these technologies right into receivers themselves. When that happens, you'll no longer need to have an extra device as a go-between. You can tell your receiver what you wanted to do directly. On-demand high-quality content. The subscriber base of the streaming platforms like Netflix, Disney+, Hotstar, Hulu, etc. is increasing exponentially. Now, the home theatres are getting designed with 4K quality screens and Dolby Atmos sounds. This level of experience can be achieved sitting at home. This is the reason the content too is being produced with high-end cameras, sound equipment, etc. The high-speed internet provided as a part of the home theatre set also helps in contributing to quality. Multi-use room and screens. Today, many homeowners want to invest in home theatres, but they find it difficult to allocate an entire room to theatre. New home theatres allow homeowners to have a multi-use room. Also, screens make one of the most common elements of a home theatre. In some of them, there are multiple screens too. Their usage varies from watching a movie, series, gaming or streaming. The market is expanding with many good quality screen options for home theatres. This makes them one of the key trends that will stay longer than you think. Optimized system calibration capabilities. Creating a home theatre room acoustics is a significant part of the entire installation and setup process. Due to the optimized equipment, the dependency reduces. The usage of digital signal processor (DSP) based home cinema speakers and AV processors can evaluate the room environment. This happens due to the advanced calibration capabilities. Now that you know these key trends, we hope you invest in making your home theatres more customized and closer to heart.